Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Mahesh Prajapati. Today I am going to explain you about modal auxiliaries. The auxiliaries are helping verbs, and a modal auxiliary is a helper verb that helps the main verb express some meanings like ability, possibility, obligation, etc. The modal auxiliary or modals do not change their forms according to the number of person of the subject. Some of the modal auxiliaries are could, can, may, might, should, shall, would, will, must, ought to, and used to. First we'll see the modal auxiliary can. The modal auxiliary can is used to show ability or possibility. Let's see some example. First example, I can make a tea. Here it is expressed as a ability. The next sentence, the rains can set in any time. Here can is expressed as a possibility. Next, the modal auxiliary could. The modal auxiliary could is used to show possibility, ability, or request. Let's see some examples. The first example, the legs could dry up in the heat. Here it shows possibility. The next example, she could ride a bicycle in her youth. It shows ability. And third example, could you turn the TV on? It is request. Modal auxiliaries may and might. The modal auxiliaries may and might are used to show possibility or permission. Let's see some examples. They might know the answer. Here it is showing possibility. May I with my friends join the party? This is a permission. They might know the answer. This is a possibility. Might I ask you to move just a little please? This is showing request. Modal auxiliary must. The modal auxiliary must refer to compulsion or obligation. Let's see some examples. You must sign the register before you enter the hall. Here it's showing compulsion. The next example, children must obey their elders. Here it is showing obligation. Modal auxiliaries used to or would. The modal auxiliary used to and would refer to habitual action in the past. Let's see some examples. She used to meet me every day. We would go to Neha's house every evening. These are examples of habitual actions in the past. Modal auxiliaries shall and will. The modal auxiliary shall and will usually refer to future events. However, they also express other aspects such as a certainty, possibility, request, offer, threats, warning, etc. The auxiliary shall is generally used with the subject I or we. Let's see some example. I will definitely pass the examination. Next example, going to the gym will help in building your muscles. Next example, I shall tell your mother if you don't change your ways. Modal auxiliary should. The modal auxiliary should is used to show duty or obligation. For example, you should study. The next example, he should help the poor. And the next example, we should obey our parents. Should is also used as a advice, like you should go there. I hope that you understand my video. If you like my video, then share it to your friends. If you are new on our channel, then subscribe my channel for new upcoming videos. Thank you.